Hello, I'm Josh Cooper and I'm a chemist. I went to chemist school for 29 years and today I would love to teach you guys about the states of matter and physical and chemical changes. Matter is very important when it comes to the terms of science and everyday life. There's three types of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. These three different types make up everything you see in our world. For example, liquid, water running in rivers and even rain. Solids make up everything from your countertops to most of your food. And lastly, gas. Gas makes up that steam that comes from your hot showers in the morning or the steam that comes off when you boil noodles. Now, moving on to a physical change. A physical change is when a form of matter changes, but its identity stays the same. It's reversible necessarily. For example, when cutting an apple, the physical state of the apple is broken into two, but it's still an apple. There's no new substance created. Physical changes don't produce a new substance, and the molecules don't change. Now, moving on to a chemical change. A chemical change occurs when a substance transforms into a different substance. It's usually irreversible. An example of this is burning paper. When burning a piece of paper, the paper turns into ash, which is a different substance than paper itself. Chemical changes involve the breaking and forming of bonds between atoms. Another example of this is baking a cake. When you bake a cake, you take raw ingredients and you turn them into a new substance, which is yummy cake. Now we are going to do an experiment. This experiment will let us see the three states of matter, physical and chemical changes. For your experiment, you're going to need one ice cube, a bowl, a spoon, vinegar, baking soda, gloves, eye protection. First, we're going to demonstrate a physical change. Take your ice cube and place it into the bowl. Wait a little bit and record your results. That small experiment you just did with the ice represents a physical change. The ice is just turning back into its original state, which is water. The identity, H2O, doesn't change, just its physical state. You are not creating a new substance nor taking away one. This indicates it's a physical change and not a chemical change. Next, we are going to demonstrate a chemical change. Take your bowl, vinegar, baking soda, and have your spoon on hand. First, place a small amount of vinegar into the bowl and wait. After that, place a little bit of baking soda in and stir it. After that, place baking soda in. Let it sit for 1 to 2 seconds and then stir. After this, record your results. What did you notice? This is a chemical change. This is a chemical change because we took two substances and we formed a new one. With this experiment, we created carbon dioxide. Another way we can tell this is a chemical change is because it would be very hard to reverse these two substances. Now, in this video, you should have learned about what a physical change, a chemical change, and the three states of matter are. The three states